Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to an update on XRP, which I felt like it was needed after the bearish momentum we got yesterday and just in general the volatility. Yeah, we'll do a full update both technically but also fundamentally on XRP. I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. That's what we'll do. All right. Also to those new to the channel, welcome. I'll try to give you as much of a good analysis as well. Excuse me, my camera is a little bit blurry. There you go. Now you can see me. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Yesterday, of course, or before we dive into that, I do want to briefly tell you that right now I'm partnered with BingX, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. I think most of you have heard of BingX. I partnered with them because they're actually a great exchange to use. I find personally a lot of exchanges contact me for partnerships and stuff. I wanted to partner up with BingX because I use them myself sometimes, and it's a great exchange. Like, it's really focused on those derivatives, has low funding fees usually. And it's just low fees in general, great to use. And right now, if you sign up via the links down in the description, you can actually get $50 in a bonus instantly. You don't need to do anything else. But yeah, for now on to XRP. So yesterday, see, XRP just in general right now, the situation is actually pretty stable, but that's both a positive thing, but also a negative thing. Because that also means, or at least we have seen, that means that there's not that much bullish momentum when Bitcoin is displaying, well, bullish moves, which we'll be able to see right here. So it's not as bullish as Bitcoin when Bitcoin is bullish, but it's also like yesterday we saw a lot of altcoins when Bitcoin dropped down from 28,300 to 27,500. We saw a lot of altcoins spike down, and XRP, well, it also dropped down, as you can see, but it held its own. It first of all held this trend line, which I will delete right now because XRP in itself, like I said, it's stable, also a market structure. All right, so you can see that the EMAs are kind of falling flat and are basically flat. So that means that XRP technically right now is in some sort of a consolidation. And that's also something you can see if you take a look at all of this price action. Basically, it has been ranging between 54 and 48.5 cents for the last, well, what is it? For the last month and a half. And I still think that's the situation for now. And it is correlated to Bitcoin still quite a bit. So what's going to happen with XRP is going to depend on Bitcoin. But currently, I would say the most likely scenario, after rejecting off of this level at 53 cents and stuff, unless any news comes out, I think the most likely scenario is that XRP will now, after hitting the top of that range, drop down towards the bottom of the range around 49. See, it will probably find some support at 50 cents still because of its psychological strength, but slowly drop down to that bottom. And then I do expect support there, but kind of depending on how strong that support is, it will either hold the range or drop down lower. I would say that's the most likely scenario right here, but I already told you a little bit about that. It does depend on Bitcoin. And the reason for that is, and these are the main fundamentals I wanted to talk about, is that today we'll actually have job openings. All right. And last time around, those made the market move a lot. Not XRP necessarily, but it did make Bitcoin move a lot. That's going to make the market move. All right. So for you don't even really need to follow this, but if you see Bitcoin later today rally up and break above 28,300, which it has not been able to do so far, then XRP will probably follow that and close above 53 cents and rally up higher. Now, I wouldn't say that's the most likely scenario because I don't expect Bitcoin to do that necessarily right now. I don't think it's the most likely scenario, but it is a realistic scenario. So you should know about it. Now, like I said, usually if Bitcoin is very bullish, XRP is less bullish. It's another reason why I think this is more likely. But yeah, I'm here to give you as much of a clear overview. I think you have that now. If you still do have any questions, then of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.